What is up, guys? Bonjour, this is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this local grape variety from France, from the Loire Valley in particular. This is a red wine grape variety that is not very commonly found in varietal wines. It'll be hard for you to find any wines made 100% from Grolleau. It won't be written on the label, but yes, you have to know that this is a major grape variety, a major component of the Rosé d'Anjou appellation from the Loire Valley. You may be familiar with Rosé d'Anjou, that is produced from around the city of Angers in France in the Loire Valley. Well, this is one of the main grape that makes it. How do you go about pronouncing the name of this grape variety? Grolleau. Grolleau. Of course, E-A-U in French form the sound O, just like in chateau. Then you do want to pronounce the L's, the double L's, just like it was one L. Grolleau. Grolleau red wine grape variety from France. Here are many more videos that you may want to watch if you want to learn how to pronounce all of the wines from all around the world. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir.